Here's how you can reply to a specific message, a text message on Android. So there are some things I need to explain about this. If you are first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so if you want to reply to a specific text, for example, like on Instagram where you swipe left on the individual message, like the text bubble, and you can reply to specifically that. For the text message, it heavily depends on how you are sending the messages. Because inside, for example, the Google Messages, you can tap on your profile and go to your settings right here. And literally the first thing is the RCS chat. And these are the rich communication services, which means that you use Wi-Fi or mobile data for messaging other people. So you are technically sending text messages over internet, which contains more features. You know, the read receipts, you can attach normal photos and other media, just like, browsing the chats on Instagram or Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. It would turn the regular messages into this functionality. And the point is that if you are texting with someone using RCS, you would have the ability to just, normally swipe left on the message and reply to that. But without this, it's not going to work, because the regular text messages, it simply doesn't work that way. So you will not have the ability to reply to a specific message if it's just a regular old school SMS. It will only work with the RCS. But once you have that enabled, you should probably know the gesture of swiping like that, and you should be able to reply with no problem. So I hope it helps. I hope I was able to explain that. For more tips and videos like this, subscribe so you never miss anything, and I'll catch you later.